Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, Namasarvebhyaha. I welcome you all to the second session of learning Devanagari script for Sanskrit. Let us start the session with a prayer. Pathami Sanskritam Nityam Vadami Sanskritam Sada Dhyayami Sanskritam Samyak Vande Sanskritamataram. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi. Okay. Let us start with a recap of yesterday's class. So, yesterday we covered the vowels of Devanagari script. They are a, I, u, r, l, a, I, o, au. And then we saw that Anusvara and visarga are represented by and aha. And we saw that the vowels are classified broadly into short vowels and the long vowels. So, in English language, we have the name for alphabet like A, B, C, D, even though their pronunciation is different, they are called A, B, C, D. Likewise, in Sanskritam, we suffix kara to the aksharam. So, this is akara, akara, ikara, ikara. Likewise, every letter is if we have to identify a letter, we'll say this is ukara, ukara. So, we suffix kara to it. So, yesterday we covered from akara to aukara. And then we saw this slide where I said we are going to start from here in today's class. And before we begin, I want to tell that how the time taken for articulation for short vowels is one measure. And for long vowels, it will be double that of the short vowels. This we had covered yesterday. For consonants, it is half the measure that of the short vowels. So, the pure sound of consonant, this consonant written here is k. This is kakara, k. So, we are going to just say k, not ka. So, for getting the because it is difficult to just say k, k, g like that, we always combine the consonant with akara, and that's how we get ka. So, yesterday we had seen that this is k, the consonant. When we combine this kakara to akara, we get ka. And when it is combined with akara, we get ka. And so on. Till so this is ka, ka, ki, ki, ku, ku, kr, kr, kl, ke, kai, ko, kau. So this is the combination of the consonant kakara with all the different vowels. Today, let me first, let me first show this writing of this. Let me start with the how do we write kakara. So, I hope you all have a pen, pencil or paper with you so that you can write along with me. So, let me first show how to write kakara. We draw one vertical line and then we curve it like this, like a horizontal 8, but we don't attach. This is ka. And we put the shirorekha, the bar on the top. Now, here if I put this bottom stroke, this is the same as this letter here, and this this consonant with the bottom stroke is a pure consonant, and it has to be the time taken to articulate the pure consonant is just half the measure of that of the short vowel. So the pure consonant will be the ucharanam of this kakara is k. So we put this bottom stroke, it is just k. Now when we combine akara to this kakara, we get ka. So please follow how to write ka. We draw one vertical stem down, then we write one 8 kind of a structure horizontally, but we do not complete the 8. We stop like this. And the shirorekha. This is ka. This is ka. This is k. This is ka. So, maybe I should use another color. I'm not sure how to do this representation. Okay. So, the matra, or when we combine akara to the consonant, it is aksharam. This is aksharam. The circle is representing some consonant, and to that on the right we have the vertical stem. So that is how we put the matra. So for example, with ka, how do we write? So first this circle is a consonant, and this is the script change when we add the akara. And if I write it with ka, it is ka, and the matra like this, and then the bar on the top. This is ka. Likewise, for ikara, we have the consonant here, and to the left of the consonant we have to draw one vertical line, and from left to right we add like this on the top of the shirorekha. So for when I write it with ka, it will be like, so I write ka first, and then I draw the line to the left, and from left to right I attach a hook like thing on the top, inverted U. So this is ki. And exact opposite of this is for ikara. So we have the consonant, and then we have the vertical line, and from left to right is the inverted U. So for kakara, we write the consonant first, then we draw the vertical line, the shirorekha, and from left to right a inverted U. This is ki. Observe that ki and ki, it is in opposite directions. The next is ukara. So the next one is ukara. So here ukara is added to the bottom, at the bottom. So we have the consonant, and to the at the bottom we add ukara. So this is, I'll try once more. Sorry. Okay. Actually, we put it like this from left to right. This is easier for me because all things go left to right and top to bottom. Okay, then we write ka and we give the hook like structure like this. This is ku. This is ku. And for ukara, it is opposite side. So we have the consonant and in the bottom we give this symbol to represent ukara. So I write ka and then like this. This is ku. Now for rikara, again it is attached to the bottom. So this is the consonant and here is the rikara. It is like a C. So seeker, we have kakara and then we attach one C here in the bottom. And if we have two, that is kind of an inverted tree, then that is kru. So we have the aksharam and we add an inverted tree like at the bottom. So ka and then this is kru. Next is for l. So we have the aksharam and this is how we have to attach. So we write ka and sorry, this didn't come out well and let me try once more. Ka and yeah, this is a little better. So this is kl. Kl. The next one is ekara. So here is the aksharam and above the shirorekha. So we have the shirorekha and on the top we put a slanting line. This is ekara. So with ka, this is K. And for kai, again we have the aksharam, the shirorekha, and we have two strokes on the top. This is with ka. This is kai. Then we have to do for okara. So we have the aksharam and this represents the okara. So for ka, we write ka. Ka comes, then one vertical line next to ka, which is like ka, but there is a slanting line on the top above the shirorekha. This is ko. And the next one is kau. Aukara. So the matra is like we have the akshara. We next on the right side we draw one vertical line and above the shirorekha we have two strokes. So it is like this vertical line and one stroke, two strokes. This is cow. Okay. I hope the writing is clear. Uh,
Q&A session has started.
can I ask you to, all of you, to read from kakara to, from ka to cow. Can you please read and tell if you have understood the ucharanam? Let me read first. It is ka, ka, ki, ku, kr, kl, ke, kai, ko, and cow. And this is the pure consonant k. The sound is k.
Ka, ka, ki, ku, kru, klu, kai, ke, ku, kau.
Can you again repeat for when we add the rikara to ka, what is the sound we get?
Kru.
Kru. Okay.
Kru.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Dhanyawada Bhagini. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Ka, ki, ku, kru, kla, ke, kai, ko, kau.
Okay. When we add lakara to ka, it becomes kl.
Kl.
It is not
Okay.
la. It is like l.
Kl.
Kl. Yeah.
Right.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Ka, ki, ku, kru, kl, ke, kai, ko, kau.
Your pronunciation is all correct, but at this initial stage, it would be good if you can prolong the dirgha swaras. So can you repeat once more? Go slowly, ka, ka, like that, so that I can get a better understanding of your ucharanam.
Ka, ki, ku, kru, kl, ke, kai, ko, kau.
Okay, so can you repeat again from kr, kr,
Kru, kl, ke, kai, ko,
one second.
kau.
It is not K. It is K. It is a long vowel sound. K, kai, ko, kau.
Ke, kai, ko, kau.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ka, ki, ku, kru, kl, ke, kai, ko, kau.
Okay. Ko, kau. So, like the previous long vowels, it also has to extend a little. Can you just tell me again for Rikara, how did you say?
Kru.
See, you are saying crew. Can you? It is kr, not ru.
Kru.
You are saying ru, right? It is not ru. It is r. There is a, you listen to this again, you will get it. Don't worry, you will just get it just by listening again and again. R is the vowels, and when we add these two sounds to k, we get kr, 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 not crew. It is not crew, it is kr. Okay, can you try once? Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
ka, ka, ki, ku, kru, klu, ke, kai, ko, kau.
Can you again repeat from kr?
Kru, klu, ke, kai, ko, kau.
So k, kai, ko, kau also need to be protracted a little more so that I will know that you have understood they are all dirgha swaras. They are all long vowels. Can you again tell the last four?
Ke, kai,
No, k,
kai, kau.
Okay. So moving forward, okay. So we saw that we can add Anusvara or visarga to the vowels only, and therefore to these 13 swara yukta vyanjana, means consonant combined to vowel forms, only we can add the Anusvara or visarga. So if somebody writes this is the pure consonant, right? It is just the consonant sound k. And if somebody writes this k and puts Anusvara, so if anywhere you see this pure consonant, we have a bottom stroke. So this is just k, and to this doesn't have any of the vowel attached. It's a pure consonant, right? So to this, if Anusvara is combined, do you think this is possible? Or there is another thing that I want to write here. This is again k with the bottom stroke and visarga to it. Okay. Please remember that these two forms are not correct. You cannot have visarga directly with the consonant or the Anusvara with the consonant. It is always added or combined with a vowel sound. So we cannot have this forms anywhere. You will not see it also, and you should not make that mistake. So we saw that when we add the visarga, we get kam, kam, kim, kim, kum, kum, krum, krum, klum, kem, kaim, kom, and kaum. And when that was with Anusvara. And with visarga, we have kaha, kaha, kihi, kihi, kuhu, kuhu, krih, krih, klih, keh, kaihi, koh, kauhu. And Anusvara, the ending is like, it ends with a makara sound like kom, kaum, sound. Whereas in visarga, the preceding vowel sound is kind of repeated. That is that is where we stopped yesterday. So today we learned how to write ka, the letter ka, kakara. So when you write it in a notebook, this is how it should look. So the letters are all to be written on the line. It is looking like it is hanging from this line below. Okay, it is not for example, you don't write like this above the line. It has to hang from the line. So if I have to show, I cannot write on the top of the line like this. It is always from the line, it is kind of hanging this way. So I hope you get the right way of writing in a ruled book. This slide is only shown here as a representation. These are Devanagari letters, but that which are used in Hindi, not for Sanskritam. Okay, so you can see that R and L are missing in the vowels. So it is just a representation of how do we write in a ruled book. How are we supposed to practice at home? Okay, that's why we have included here. I hope you get this. Dhanyavadaha.